Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna do a product review. Some may call it tech, some may not call it tech. It's gonna be on a car and this stuff called Flowgenix. Maybe we've all seen it on Instagram and other social media platforms, but we're gonna really put it to the test and see if it's what they say it is to be. We're spraying it on metal, plastic, glass, leather, other fabric, painted surfaces. So let's give it a go and see what we're dealing with. So they say this is a waterless washer or a waterless wash, shine, and shield. So here I've got two setups. The left-hand side is untreated and the right-hand side has a little bit, but I want to do the whole thing and then we're going to pour some water on it and we're going to see if it truly is what they say it is. So maybe you can hear that. It's untreated, it's rough. Let's see what happens when we go through the process here. So we're told for the instructions to spray it on our cloth, do an area, and then take a clean one and buff it out. So let's just quickly do an area and let's buff it out. As before, it's rough, untreated. I don't think you can hear anything. I feel like I need to clay this car, but it's definitely a lot more smooth. So it doesn't really run off. I mean, it does on the hill, but on the right-hand side,
I'm good. I'm just responding to my. Oh, can you hear me? Okay. I'm just.
and it's still running.
To loading them and coordinating with Brent.
Another test we can do is actually the bottle on the hood, the untreated area. It doesn't want to really slide, obviously, unless I push on it. But if we come over to the treated area, it doesn't wiggle like the other side. So for this bottle, you can go to the website and you can pick some up. You can also go to Instagram and use your Instagram account and pick some up. It's 20 bucks. It's 8 ounces. I feel like that's a lot of money for this product. It depends on how you use it and what you're using it for. Cars, boats, motorcycles, anything auto related. I don't know if you would put it on anything else. I don't think you would. But I have used it on my bike earlier and it's smooth to the touch. And I rode it that day after cleaning it.
Can you hear me?
And it was great. So came back in and I didn't have any bugs on it. You know, it didn't rain that day, so thank goodness. But it seemed like it's still cleaning the garage. So I think this product does justice. There's another one out there called Top Coat. I'm gonna review that one as well. Again, some might think this is not a tech review and more like a cleaning car product review, but I would consider this to be tech in some regard based on what it's doing. So we'll see about the longevity in a few. months. It says 6 to 12 months is when it lasts. I guess that depends on if you're washing your car every day and you're doing the normal maintenance of your car, then it probably lasts longer. To do a test and to not wash it would be hard for me because I wash my cars probably once or twice a month anyway. I doubt this will last 12 months like it says, but who knows? We'll come back then and see if it does. All right, guys, well, thanks for watching. Till next time. One last tidbit of information I almost forgot. Flowgenix smells like bubblegum. It's Meguiar's clear coat, top finisher, or detailer, whatever they call it. That smells like cinnamon. That has a nice scent. But this smells like bubblegum. So you should just get it for that. Who cares if it doesn't work? It smells great in your car. All right, that's it. Talk to you guys later.